This is a recording that was done in class of the lab. What you are looking at in the background, there is a black metal track. And what you can't see because of the angle is that it is set up with one end slightly higher. And what you're looking at there is the high end. So that what you're also seeing on the track is a wooden meter stick and a metal ball bearing. That metal ball there is lined up on the meter stick. The center of the ball bearing is lined up at the 0.00 mark of the meter stick. And we are going to let this ball roll down the track. And as it rolls, we're following it along with the camera, and we are going to record time intervals. So it's positioned at specific times. This app that we're using allows us to physically, so I'm moving that with my finger, which you can't see my finger on that little dot, and you see there in that little rectangle, though that's the timestamp. So from when we hit play, it's 00 and it moving forward. Now, what we need to know is at the moment the ball was released, okay, that exact down to the 100th of a second, the ball was released at 0.53 seconds. Now, we want 1 second interval. So exactly 1 second later, I'm going to want to know where the ball is positioned. So if you look at your data table, we have the 0.00 seconds at 0 centimeters. Now, exactly 1 second later is going to be 1.53 seconds. So we're going to fast forward to 1.53 seconds and line it up. The middle of the ball bearing is at 2.3 centimeters. And now we're going to fast forward exactly 1.00 seconds later. So fast forward to 2.53 seconds. At 2.53 seconds, the ball bearing is positioned at 7.9 centimeters. And I'm estimating that millimeter because we can't get it exact, so we're giving an estimate. I'm going to fast forward exactly 1.00 seconds to 3.53 seconds. And the middle of the ball bearing lines up perfectly on that 17. So 17.0 centimeters. Be recording this in your data table. So at the 3.00 seconds, it is 17.0 centimeter position. And fast forwarding to 4.53 seconds. It's at 29.6 centimeters. And then fast forward to 5.53 seconds. And we are positioned at 45.4 centimeters. And fast forward to 6.53 seconds. And we're at 64.2 centimeters. And fast forward to 7.53 seconds. And we're at 86.2 centimeters. And as we go forward again, before we get to 8.53 seconds, it's gone off the meter stick. It's gone past the 100 centimeter mark. So our last measurement was at the 7.53 seconds. Okay? And now we've got that down the data table and we shall analyze it.